Hi, friend. This is a mini UPS device for backup when the power goes out. I'll show you how it works. This tool works when there is a power outage. This tool functions as an electric current backup, a tool that requires 12-volt DC power. This is a simple tool that has a very big function, because without this tool we cannot use the internet when there is a power outage. When we disconnect the power source, the indicator light will be green. It indicates the tool is working. And when we plug the electricity source back in, the indicator light will be red. This indicates that the charging process is running. The red indicator light will turn off when the battery is fully charged. Here I will show you how I made this tool. The following are the materials needed. First, you need the X3 box. 2. Battery type 18650 3.7 volt DC. 3. 12-volt DC mini UPS module. 4. Red and black cables. 5. A DC connector with size 5.5 millimeters, female and male. 6. Red-green LED indicator light with 3 legs. Okay, now let's move on to assembly. Here I will make 2 holes of 4 millimeters for the inlet and outlet. I will place these 2 holes at the bottom. I replaced the drill bit with a 3 mm drill bit for the indicator light. I will place this hole on the side. Let's move on to the next stage. Here I connected the red and black cables to the battery. Now, we connect the indicator light on the module. Make sure everything is connected perfectly. Cut off the remaining parts that are not needed. Then we connect the positive and negative cables. Be careful not to tip it over, because it can damage the module. Here I use double-sided tape so that the module doesn't shake in the box. Next, we insert the connector cable into the box, then we connect it to the input and output modules. The red cable is connected to positive. Black cable connected to negative. Take note. Don't get turned upside down. Insert the module in the correct position, make sure the indicator light is clearly visible. I put glue on the battery so it sticks to the box. Next, close the box and install the 4 bolts. Everything is ready. Let's plug it into the router. I placed it on top of the router. Then unplug the DC socket and plug it into the prepared connector. Do you see? The indicator light is red. It anchors the charging process. Let's see how this tool works. When I unplug the adapter, the indicator light is green. It indicates the backup process is working. Thank you for watching. You can make it yourself at home. Don't forget to click like and follow me so that this channel continues to grow.